Hello guys, we're gonna harvest now our organic vegetables. So this is where we're gonna put it. There. So how many vegetables we have? Now, one. There's another big one here. Look at that, guys. So look at that one. Lots of vegetables here to harvest. Oh, look at that. This is the tiniest one. So cute. Now where's the rest? Look at these, guys. See, that's so big. Oh, it's huge. See, I have lots of harvest today. So there's still more here. Lots of harvest. Thank God. So now it's time to harvest now. Summer is over. So 8 more vegetable. Look at that, guys. See? They're very healthy. This is organic, guys. Organic vegetables. So look at my tomato. They're not yet ready to harvest. Still a baby. But they have more space to grow now. When we harvest this giant vegetable. Looks so beautiful. This one's still very baby, but we have to harvest them all. See? Then God's chance to get bigger. So look at them. They're triplets. So time for harvest. Harvest time. Time for harvest. So that's all for today.